Now that we have discussed about what a circle is, like how does a circle look like, what is its shape, now that we can recognize a shape to be a circle or not a circle, now comes the question, how do we draw a perfect circle? When I draw by free hand, it is not that easy that I get a full circle. For example, when I just draw, I may move out and I get a kind of a circle which is not perfect. So I don't get a perfect circle. So my question here is it perfect? No, it isn't. So how to draw a perfect circle on a sheet, on a rough sheet, is the concept which you're going to see in this session. Construction of a circle is today's session. Construction of a perfect circle. So let's see a perfect circle in its construction. When I take a fixed point, let me take a compass from the geometrical instruments. We all are aware of a compass. So we took the pencil and just put the point of the compass out here and move with certain radius or with certain distance and try to move the pencil out here. So I get a kind of a shape which looks like this. So I get a shape which looks like this with the fixed point of the compass. So the kind of shape I get when I take the fixed compass and move the pencil round throughout the page is what a perfect circle is. A perfect circle is obtained by using the compass. So here the compass gives me a circle derived from a compass. A circle derived from a compass. And this is no doubt a perfect circle. This is perfect. Circle is how we conclude. So any circle which is derived from a compass gives me a perfect circle. So for a construction of a circle which needs to be perfect, we use the compass and then draw it around the page and we get a circle of this type. This is not a perfect circle because it's drawn by freehand, but this would be a perfect circle if you can join through the compass. It's how we understand constructing a circle with and without compass. Now that we have seen the circle and its shape and the construction methods of constructing a perfect circle, now comes in understanding the mathematical definition of a circle. Mathematically, we need to understand what a circle is. So this session is about investigating the mathematical definition of a circle. So let's see how we define a circle in mathematics. Mathematical definition. Let's come back with the construction of a circle using compass. As we have discussed in the previous session that a perfect circle is obtained when we derive through a compass. So we have taken the compass fixed at here, and when I take the rotating, I get a circle in this manner with a fixed point out here. Is how we understood a circle. So how do we define mathematically this fixed point which derives a perfect circle? Well, when I move the compass with the fixed point fixed out here, and at half the way I move it here, do we get a perfect circle? So my question here is, can we get a perfect circle if this fixed point is moved in midway when we derive the circle with the compass? No, we cannot. One can investigate using a compass to move the compass out there, the pointer out there, and then try to complete the circle. In the halfway, we cannot get a circle. A perfect circle is obtained only when the pointer of the compass is fixed exactly at one particular point, no moving aside. So this makes us clearly understand that for deriving a perfect circle, this must be a fixed point. The pointer must be at a fixed point, is how we understand the first investigation of a circle derived from the pointer, is how we understand through this. Now, as we see clearly that as the pointer with the pencil which moves out here derives a perfect circle, I clearly see that whenever I derive a perfect circle through the compass and measure the distance between this fixed point and this corner off with the ruler, I get same distance. That is, the distance I measure here and the distance I measure here, or the distance I measure the other side, throughout the circle, I see that all the distances I measure will be at equal distances. Taken with the ruler, the measuring of the distance wo from A, wo from B, wo from C, and wo from D, wo from E and F, etc. gives me the same distance. The distance will not differ at any corner of the point taken on the circle and measured with the distance from the fixed point in the center. So we have many mathematical properties which arise through the circle. We have many mathematical properties which come into existence through this investigation outcome. So what are the different things we see here? For a perfect circle, the first point is that center wo must be fixed. Center wo must be fixed. And secondly, the center must be at equal distances from any point on the circle. The second point is that center wo must be at equal distances from any point on the circle. So this is how we define the perfect circle. For a perfect circle, the center wo must be fixed. The fixed pointer of the compass must be fixed at that point when you draw the complete circle. You cannot move it in midway. Is how I understand the center wo must always be fixed. Secondly, the center wo must be at equal distances from any point on the circle. So when I take a ruler and measure the distance wo A, wo B, wo C, wo D, wo E, and OF, etc., all the distances must be same. Even if one distance is not the same as other distances, then the circle is not perfect. It is not a circle. Mathematically, a circle has two basic properties: center fixed and center at equal distances from the points on the circle. It's how we understand the circle derived from these two basic properties. The mathematical definition of a circle.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.